Hello there YouTube, sorry for lack of videos. Anyways, I'm going to make some Armstrong's mix. All you need is a pack of matches. Now all you want to do is get some matches, get the match head powder off it. Best way I found is to carefully try to sort of smash the powder off with some pliers. You want to do it gently to avoid getting wood chips and other crap you may have on your pliers into the mix. Anyway, so I just do all of that. Anyway, so now I crimped off all that powder and I ground it fine using a hammer. Now, unless you slam it really hard and give it lots of energy, this will not go off. Now there are two ways that you can solve this. You can either use strike anywhere matches, or you can use this stuff. This is from the striking part of the matchbox. Now so this is from the side of the matchbox where you rub the match on, and you can either get this off by scraping it with a knife, or if you get those really cheap matchboxes that have a whole solid block of powder, you can use acetone to get it off. However, scraping with a knife, you will have to go in the tweezers to remove any bits of paper that are that get scraped off as well as the powder. Now you need anywhere between 50 to 25% of striker powder, respectively, in respect to the match head powder. Now as soon as you mix these together, this will become impact sensitive. Now as is, this will actually make some fairly decent gunpowder you could use for a miniature cannon, but adding the striker powder will make it burn more vigorously. However, it will make it impact sensitive, so don't drop it. Now in case you're wondering, yes, this is pretty much the exact same stuff they use in primers and gun caps. And you just need to mix these two together until it's a nice, even, consistent colour. There you go, I've mixed them together, and now this is impact sensitive. So to test it out, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a tiny amount of this powder, about 3 tweezers full. Actually, maybe let's do 5 tweezers of the mixture. Put it in paper towel and twist it up to make a kind of a fun snap, and put it on the anvil side of my bench vise and here with a hammer. My ears are ringing right now. That could not worked any better. Here, I made this one. This has got about 10 tweezers worth, and this is a miniature fun snap. Now please note, the mixture here is different from a fun snap. A fun snap uses silver formulate. This one uses phosphorus as the explosive, whereas one of the components as the explosive. Again, this has got 10 tweezers worth of Armstrong's mix. Let's give it a try. That did not work. Oh, I know. Let's try again, but I put a tiny stone in it. Oh my god! That sounded like a gunshot. Shit, can you hear that? Oh my god. I can actually hear police sirens. Shit.